Hi everybody. This is the inside of my RV, and I wanted to talk about these lights. I have these solar lights, and each one has a 12 by 12 inch solar panel on the roof. So these each operate independently, and you can see when the red light's flashing, that means it's charging. So it is light outside, and these are charging. Okay. You can see that. And you can see that I have them all the way back to the bedroom. I put 11 in. I originally had 12 in, but I took one out to put the curtain rod up. So I have 11 of these in. And my idea was just to have them right down the center of the RV. And that's worked really well. You know, the RV can be lit anytime without power just by using a remote. Pretty awesome. Yeah, I really love them. And they work great. Anyway, so two of them are not working. And it's the one that's supposed to be right here and the one that's right there where that Bluetooth speaker is hanging. These two are not working. So I'm taking them down. And instead, I'm going to put up some overhead fans. And you can imagine the biggest challenge in putting an overhead fan here is getting one small enough. Ideally, I would like it to sort of match these because I have this, vibe going on of these black kind of farm lights. So I wanted like really small overhead fans. And in the years that I've owned this, I've looked online and I never have been able to find small enough overhead small enough overhead fans. So I finally found some. So let me show you those to you. And I'm going to install them. I finally found a small enough overhead fan that I'm going to try putting it up here and see if it works with the lamps that I have up. It's only 17 inches across and my lamps are 12 inches across, so I think it might look okay. It's a socket lamp. This is something new that I've never heard of, but I see a lot of them now online. It's a socket lamp. You screw it into a socket. So I bought the sockets and I'm going to put them up there and then screw this in. So it should look something like this. And I have two of them, which works out really well because I have two lights with solar panels that are not working. Actually, the solar panels fell off the roof. I looked and that's what happened. So anyway, I have two spots for these and two fans. So I'm hoping that it'll work okay, and I'm going to start working on it. That feels super solid, which is great because I'm planning to put a fan on it, so it's going to be torquing a lot, twisting. So let's see how it goes. From a design standpoint, this wire is really a problem. I have all the other wires in the ceiling hidden, you know, above the ceiling, but of course that's because I put them there before the ceiling was up. So this is a black wire. These are plug-in. I have to actually plug them in. It's a black wire that has to plug into an electrical outlet, so it's ugly, and putting it across the ceiling, I don't know how I'm going to do it. But right now I'm just going to do kind of a, you know, test run. The fans come with remotes. Just like everything else in the world comes with remotes. The problem is finding the remotes when you need them, right? Okay, it comes with batteries too, so that's good. Without reading the directions, I'm just going to start pushing buttons and see what happens. There's an on switch. Okay, now I can start pushing buttons. One big question I had for this is, can I run the fan without the light? The light is very bright, which is, you know, a really good thing. I mean, that could come in very handy, but I don't want it all the time. Like when I'm sleeping, I won't want it like that. So let me see what happens with the fan. Oh my gosh, look at that. I like it. It's about the same size as the lamps. See this lamp over here? Yeah, it's not too bad, huh? I mean, it doesn't look that different. At least it's the same vibe. Oh, this is awesome. Another huge problem you can see is that if you're tall, you can't even walk through the RV because I have these, you know, lamps and now fans. So you kind of have to walk around them if you're tall. I'm 5'5", so you can't be much taller than me. And I can't put my arms up. No. Oh, that's really exciting. I'm really happy. I mean, when I have power, I won't even, the solar lamps, you know, won't even be that necessary because this is very bright, which is awesome. But even without the light, the fan works. The fan has different speeds. It's so lightweight that it's not wobbling, so that makes me really happy. Doesn't look very straight. It looks kind of crooked. Looks like it's hanging kind of crooked, but I don't know. I don't know if I can fix that or not. Yeah, it's really good. I'm really happy. All right, if I find out what I'm going to do with that cord, I'll let you know. Otherwise, I might just use a staple gun and staple it, you know, across the ceiling, which is not, from a design perspective, exactly what I wanted, but this I really like. And having two of these in here would be really nice. Okay,